Hey guys, so today I'm doing a vlog style video and I'm going to do my beauty room tour. So this has been something I'm so excited about, I've been working on, and it's finally really coming together. I just moved in February, so it's April now. I've literally been in this house for a month and a half and I've spent a ton of money on stuff, which is crazy. This is what I've always dreamed of and this is what I've always wanted. So I went ahead and got myself a beauty room. So let's get started. So this is it. This is the door. You walk in. There's a blank wall here. Right now there's a whole bunch of junk there, which I'm gonna get rid of. But I am gonna put a full-size mirror there. I just haven't had time to get one and I don't know where to get one. I have the old school closet in here. And it needs to be painted and everything, but it has junk right now, obviously, because we just moved. So it's like hair dye, paint, art supplies. And then up here I have like purses and bags and stuff like that, which I don't know what I'm gonna do with yet. And this wall, I have my window. I kind of like it plain, but I do think I want to get some kind of chair or something so we can sit there, because I find myself wanting to come in this room all the time. And there's no chair, so I just sit on the carpet with the dogs and kind of just enjoy the room. And then here is my Pax wardrobe. It's from IKEA. I went to IKEA to design this in Palo Alto. You can design it online too. And I basically had measured my room space, so I knew how far I needed it. And then I had took note of like how many jackets I have, not specifically, like, but just I have enough jackets to fill a rack. I have enough underwear to fill a drawer or two, you know, so I kind of made notes of that, how many shoes I had and really what I wanted to display. But yeah, so this is all custom. It's really awesome and it's affordable. So up here I just have my hats, and this is how everything's designed right now. It's probably gonna change, but I have like Saran hats, vacation hats, Stussy, more Saran. And this was designed, I did it thinner because I wanted an area for my full-length dresses. But some of my dresses that are just longer, I have some longer cardigans, some writing gear, more cardigans, and some pants. I have my Zuka bag. My Zuka is a bag for like freelance makeup and hairstylists. Love it, it sits there. And then this is just like a tote bag that I got. It was a gift with purchase, so it kind of just sitting there, but I'm planning on using it this summer. And then this is my old work bag. It has bags inside of it. All right, next, I designed it so I'd have 2 solid drawers and then 2 glass drawers on the top. And I designed it so the clothes would be separated by a thing of shoes. I didn't want the clothes to be right next to each other, but I love how it all turned out. So just up here, I have some knickknacks. This was when my future sister-in-law has asked me to be in her wedding, so she had a box and with the stuff inside, but that was the box. This is because I worked for Benefit Cosmetics, and this was their holiday skincare kit, and it's got the Ferry building, which is in San Francisco, and that's basically where I'm at, the San Francisco Bay Area. These are all my shirts. I have like crop tops, tank tops, and then like a mixture of long sleeve and short sleeve by color. Yeah, I have to do another video of like my favorite pieces, because there are like pieces that are just what I wear all the time, and I feel like that deserves a whole nother video. This right now, it's a mess. So I got these acrylic drawer dividers, and they're supposed to divide the drawer so you can put like sunglasses and belts and stuff. And I actually have to move this up 1 notch because it doesn't fit. So I've still got to do that, which is why that drawer is a mess, but I designed it to have the glass top. Real quick, my bras. This is bathing suits. This is like underwear, socks, and stuffed animal things that I gotten for birthdays and stuff. These are my sweatshirts. Love sweatshirts. I can live in these and wear these every day. And then the shoe area. So the bottom was designed to be tall enough, and you can customize it and I can change it at any time, which is really cool with the little things. But I designed it to have all my boots on the bottom. So I have like hiking, cowboy boots, rain boots, snow boots, all that down there. And then up here I have like all my tennis shoes and back and my gladiator sandals. And I designed it with those right there so that when you stood up, you can't see those because they're kind of like the less pretty of the items. Some Minnetonkas, these are like my favorite. And these shoes I wear all the time. And then I have like some high heels. These are like fun high heels. And then these are like the standard like black and gray high heels. And up here I have my perfume. What else? I have some travel perfumes, roller balls, essential oils. This is from Paris. It's a little Eiffel Tower I got in Paris when I graduated high school. I went there. Yeah, that was one of the only things I bought. I bought that and a shot glass when I went to Paris. Nothing else. I mean, food and stuff, but like as memorabilia, clothes, nothing. Just that and a shot glass. And then I have sage, Palo Santo for purifying. I'm gonna light those. I just like to sage the house often and keep it positive vibes. Some stones I got. This is my jewelry that I wear almost every single day. Here I have my Louis Vuitton. It's my Speedy Bandolier 30. I've had it for about 2 years. Probably used it 10 times. To be honest, I have to do a whole separate video on this because I haven't used it as much as I thought, and I feel like now that I've had it for a while, I kind of know what I like and what I don't like about this bag specifically and what I would possibly change. This is my only high-end designer bag that I own, so I eventually want to save my money and buy another Louis, and I am obsessed with Chanel, so one day. This is a picture of my boyfriend Vince and I when we started dating 3 years ago, so that's cute. I love that. And then I have my Dooney & Bourke bag. This I don't use anymore, but I used to use it all the time. It just reminds me of me. Like, I feel like pink, and it's the perfect size bag, and it's just, I love it, and that's my bag, and everyone knew when I had that bag that it was mine. And then up here I have my Soho London mini train case. This is empty right now, but those are really great if you don't have like that much makeup and you just want a little train case to put makeup in. The picture in the middle was from my future sister-in-law. She colored it in and stuff, and she's just artistic and I love it. And then I have some books up there, some crystal books, some books about dreams, and then like financial advising books. Right now I'm currently reading Witch by Lisa Lister. It's very like, it's a spiritual book, and then it has like about crystals and witches and all that, and I love it. I'm totally into it. And I have the audiobook too, so I listen to the audiobook as I read because that helps me stay focused because I have trouble focusing. Jackets, nothing really fun about my jackets. I camp a lot, so my jackets aren't really stylish jackets. They're more of like, you know, your big winter coat that you take camping. So I have like a Carhartt. I do have my like, fake leather jacket, camouflage jacket, nothing special. And then right now I'm using my Michael Kors bag. This bag is awesome. This is one of my favorite bags ever. The perfect size crossbody, and for years I've looked for a really good size crossbody that can fit my wallet. It's so easy just to put the wallet in, and it zips up, which is what I like. So I actually want to buy this in a few other colors. Believe it or not, I got this off Poshmark for $35. It was such a steal, and it was in great condition. This is just another pull-out drawer, which eventually I think I'm going to put jewelry in here, but I haven't really figured it out yet, so it's just got like 2 Coach scarves in there. Here I have like all my beanies, Hippie Tree, Carhartt, all those. I have my Sharks beanie, some stones, this is really random, like a coffee mug for camping, and then like a Joe Malone candle thing. Down here I have all my jeans. I feel like people probably think I wear the same clothes every single day, but the reality is I just have like 8 pairs of Fashion Nova black jeans with the rips on the knees. But I love black jeans because it's slimming. And then I have like a couple pairs of actually blue jeans, and I actually don't wear those ever. Don't like them. And then I have like my shorts and stuff because I can't wait for summer. I'm literally like, we're so close right now in California. All right, tank tops are here, and shorts like I sleep in, and then just shorts to wear to work out, leggings, sweats, nothing fun. Here is backdrops for filming. I have like a furry one, or for pictures like flat lays. I have my white umbrellas for my light system, a tripod, random things that I just didn't know where to put, dog clothes, because when we go camping they have to wear sweaters because it gets really cold, my old camera, and then I have my ring light there. And then this is my Impressions vanity. Hello. These are from Impressions Vanity, the drawers. The top is from IKEA because the Impressions Vanity one was like $500 and I wasn't about to spend that. Plus I wanted a solid top. And I'm going to get glass and put it on top of here so that it doesn't stain with makeup, because that's what I'm afraid of. So I've been doing my makeup on the towel. And then my Impressions vanity, I didn't get the they have one that has a Bluetooth speaker in it. I didn't get that because I don't need that, and we have Bluetooth speakers in our house, and I just didn't need something else but you can charge stuff on here. It has the outlets and you can plug your curling iron in, and then it's got the dimmer so I can dim it. These makeup things are from Target. This one was $3. This one was 3 cents. I swear to you, 3 cents. I bought the only 2 they had, so it was 6 cents total. I've never gotten out of Target so without spending any money, pretty much. I just have some makeup palettes. And like I said, I'll do another video and go through my actual makeup drawers and all that. This is from the container, or the acrylic thing is from TJ Maxx. And then I'm using AG hair care dry wax. That's actually in my hair right now. I curled my hair like 2 days ago, and I purposely wanted it messy like this. So I sprayed it in. I'm trying to do the messy I don't care look. I figured I'd try it out. We'll see how it goes. And then some stones. And oh, and then I got this little stool from TJ Maxx for like $35. So this is my room. I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, please post them down below. Any questions about where something's from or how I like something, just post it below. But yeah, and please subscribe if you guys want to see more videos like this. I definitely have more stuff I want to film, so subscribe and you'll get the notification when I upload. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.